one that is strawberry, banana, and orange. They used to have more flavors.
Yeah, it's in the bottom. I think that's blue raspberry on the bottom.
Let's see. Strawberry. Maybe banana. It kind of tastes just like vanilla. The orange is like a creamsicle. Ooh, that's good. I like that. But it's more vanilla because there's more vanilla in the center. The flavoring is all on the outside. So it's a little different than what it was, but it's still good. I like the multi flavor.